The other thing I want to talk about is basically online divorce services. This wasn't part of the topic, but it does. There's a lot of lost leader online divorce, probably hundreds of them, where you can pay anywhere from $29 up to. There's places called like Hello Divorce. There's Legal Zoom, and they offer an online process, at least maybe to start. So a couple different scenarios here. The all these are is basically form building solutions. So where you in one field you're entering your name and it's basically auto populating the form. The downside with those with online divorce services is there's no oversight. There's no one reviewing your paperwork. There's no one telling you if you're doing it wrong. Essentially, whatever you put in the box is going to show up on the form.
Mhm.
And I think that people get, they see the price, $29 or $100 or whatever the case is, and they get sucked into that. And all they end up doing is they might as well just do that paperwork themselves as opposed to doing a form builder or online divorce service, because they have to handle all of the process themselves. They still have to file the paperwork. They still have to serve the paperwork. They have to, I used to keep with LegalZoom. I get so many clients from them. I used to get, they get this booklet. So it's about that thick. Once they fill out all their forms online, they mail it to them. They mail them the paperwork as opposed to printing it. I bet they got away from that at this point, but they get these giant packets. So when I used to see people in person, they bring their giant LegalZoom divorce packet in, and with 15 pages of instructions on what to do, file this, file that,
Wow.
yeah, and it's just crazy. So they get this packet and then they're just completely lost. So I get a ton of clients that have done LegalZoom, but any other type of online divorce service as well, or even doing it themselves. Like I said, half the people that come to me are somewhere in the process and getting stuck. But these online divorce services, I think they're just a waste of money, to be fair.
Well, like most things in life, you get what you pay for. And
True.
if you're paying $29, that should be a flag that it's less than, there's
Yeah.
something wrong with that. I mean, there's always that off chance that someone fills out everything perfectly and they don't miss the dotted I and the cross T. But I would imagine that there's so much to that stack of papers you spoke of that it would be probably a rarity that it was done all correctly.
Yeah.
So
That's for sure. I've done these live recordings where I've gone over how to do your entire divorce case, start to finish. So if people are watching this and you want to do it yourself, maybe you don't have the financial resources and you have the time, well, all you have to do is watch this one video and it shows you step by step how to do every single form from initial petition through divorce. And that's free, right? It's just on YouTube. That's free.
that's
The
nice.
next topic. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying it's very nice. Good for you.
Yeah.